the other thing I notice here is that we still have this 100, right? 12 out of 100 question that is showing here. So this is a hard-coded number that we added earlier. That's not what we want. Let's see, go back. So this is out of 100. This is what we added earlier, which is not what we want. When we want to get, in this case, we want to get out of all questions that we have in our JSON payload. How do we do that? Of course, I know you can do this. In fact, you can pause this video and try to do that. All right, so I hope you were able to do it. Now let's think a little bit about this. So we understand in order for us to get the data, in this case, the how many questions we have is just the size of our list. So there are a few ways to do this. One of the ways that I'm going to do, I'm going to use our view model. So I'm going to go and say view model, questions view model. And here, because we have our data, we should have received our data at this point here, because we initially go ahead and fetch the data and save everything. So this data here is immutable state, but also contains this data or exception, which contains our list of questions, right? So I'm going to create a function at the bottom here, call get total question count. So this will just return an int, right? And so I'm going to say return data, that value. Right? I'm going to go and invoke the actual data, the array list, and get to mutable list. I need to do that, and then get the size. Now I'm going to have some issues here because we need to make this nullable as such. There we go. There we go. So now, because we have our question view model, we can go to our questions, and you'll remember that we are also passing the view model into our question here, question display. So we have access to our view model. So we can do that now. We can use it. So inside of find our question tracker here, we have the counter. We've passed that already. Now I can just say view model, right? Dot get total question count like this, and if we go ahead and run, we should get this will now change to a total question count, and there we go. We have 0 out of 4,875 questions. Wow, that will take you a little while to go through. Very well. So